Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best walking canes is probably one of the most underrated mobility aids for seniors. These simple yet effective tools offer a helping hand, quite literally, providing the support and stability needed to navigate the world with confidence. Whether it's a stroll in the park or a trip to the grocery store, the right walking cane can make a world of difference, enhancing independence and promoting an active lifestyle. Number 5. HoneyBull Foldable Walking Cane for Seniors. Introducing the HoneyBull Walking Cane, designed for ultimate stability. It features a pivot-based tip, allowing it to stand on its own, providing support whenever you need it. The ergonomic handle provides a soft, secure grip, reducing hand fatigue. This lightweight cane offers lasting comfort and control, perfect for long walks. This cane folds up quickly for easy storage in bags or cars. It's a great choice for travel or everyday use, and it even includes a wrist strap for added security. The HoneyBull cane features a non-slip rubber tip with pivot technology. This adapts to various surfaces, providing safer movement on any terrain. Adjust the height to fit users from 5 foot to 6 feet 5 inches. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, it supports up to 350 pounds, ensuring reliable, long-term use for anyone. What we like? This cane's pivot-based tip ensures stability on any surface, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It also features an ergonomic handle for comfortable, long-lasting use. If you're looking for a cane that offers both convenience and reliability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The HoneyBull walking cane is sturdy yet lightweight, and the pivoting tip gives great stability on different surfaces. It also stands up better than the previous one, which means that it doesn't get knocked over as often as the previous one did. It folds down quickly too, which makes it easy to stash or take along if needed. Number 4. Vive Folding Cane, Collapsible, Adjustable Walking Stick. This folding cane from Vive securely locks in place, offering extra stability. It folds at 3 points, making it easy to carry in a bag or purse for on-the-go assistance. Made with durable, corrosion-resistant aluminum, it's lightweight yet sturdy, supporting up to 250 pounds. You can easily adjust the height to your preference. The ergonomic hand grip contours to your hand, reducing fatigue and wrist pressure. It also includes a wrist strap to prevent it from falling when released. Enhanced traction and stability with the slip-resistant rubber tip. It's also compatible with various replacement tips for added versatility. Vive's folding cane is designed to meet customer needs, focusing on safety and comfort. As a trusted brand, it comes with a lifetime guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. What we like? This cane is designed to be easily folded and stored, perfect for those on the go. Its lightweight frame and ergonomic grip provide comfort and support. If you need a portable and reliable walking aid, this is the one for you. What people say. The cane is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable height feature is very useful. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. Number 3. REHAND Adjustable and Foldable Walking Cane. This adjustable cane is perfect for individuals from 5 to 6 feet 5 inches. It offers 8 height adjustments in 1-inch increments, ensuring a comfortable fit. It is easy to adjust to the proper height. The innovative handle is longer and wider than traditional grips. It provides a larger contact area for your palm, reducing fatigue. The ergonomic design offers both support and comfort. This cane features a pivoting and slip-resistant base for superior stability. The multi-layer rubber structure absorbs shocks, protecting your joints. It maximizes safety on various terrains. The cane is constructed with a durable, lightweight aluminum frame and a collapsible design. It folds up quickly and fits easily into a bag. A hook and loop fastener keeps it secure. This REHAND walking cane redefines mobility assistance. It's designed with your needs in mind. You'll receive a folding cane, a travel bag, and excellent customer service. It provides a brilliant user experience. What we like? This cane features an adjustable height, ensuring a perfect fit for users of various sizes. It also incorporates a pivoting and shock-absorbing base for superior stability on any terrain. If you value comfort and safety, this cane will provide you with the best experience. What people say. It's lightweight and easy for her to manage, but still feels sturdy and reliable when she's walking with it. The fact that it folds up is a big plus because she can tuck it away when she's not using it, or bring it along without it being in the way. Adjusting height is easy and the handle feels very comfortable. I also like the all-terrain cane N2. Number 2. DMI Lightweight Adjustable Walking Cane. This walking cane is designed for both men and women. It's incredibly lightweight, weighing only 12 ounces, yet it can support up to 250 pounds. The cane is easily adjustable from 30 to 39 inches in 1-inch increments. A locking ring ensures it stays securely in place after adjustment, preventing any rattling. It features an ergonomic soft offset handle and a wrist strap. This design makes it comfortable to grip for extended periods, reducing hand fatigue and soreness. The walking stick helps improve mobility by evenly distributing weight. This can build strength and confidence with each step. The cane adjusts from 30 to 39 inches and supports up to 250 pounds. It includes a durable tip and a convenient wrist strap for added security. What we like? This cane is both lightweight and durable, making it easy to handle while providing reliable support. It also features an adjustable height and an ergonomic handle for added comfort. If you prioritize ease of use and comfort, you should consider it. What people say. It's extremely sturdy. The handle is nice and grippy. And the length is easily adjustable, with many options to change it. It's also nice and light too. Number 1. Walking cane, adjustable, folding, portable, comfortable. This walking cane is designed for comfort and balance. It helps improve posture and reduces strain on your back, shoulders, and wrists. It's sleek, sturdy, and made with high-quality materials. This cane is perfect for travel. It comes with a carrying strap and is suitable for both right and left-handed users. Take it with you on trains or planes. The cane has 10 adjustable height settings, ranging from 40 to 49 inches. It can accommodate individuals from 4.5 to 6.5 feet tall and supports up to 300 pounds. The cane features a special slip-resistant rubber tip for safety. This helps prevent falls, providing you with added security. You can also replace the tip. This walking cane meets all USA safety requirements. It also comes with a free lifetime warranty. You can trust its quality and durability. What we like? This cane offers 10 adjustable heights, catering to a wide range of users. It also has a self-standing feature and a slip-resistant rubber tip for added safety. If you need a customizable and safe walking aid, it's a great choice. What people say. The adjustable height allows you to walk upright, while the unique base supports a stable step. I was able to go higher, faster, and longer with it and avoided a lot of pain to boot. We love that it is adjustable for various heights and can be converted easily from a cane to a walking stick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.